Enough. Livermore Tower, Skyline 1080 Mike, holding short 7 left at hotel. Ready to take off, right downwind departure.
Skyline 1080 Mike, Livermore Tower, right, downwind departure approved, runway 7 left, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 7 left, right downwind departure, 1080 Mike.
Sanzo 36 Mike, runway 7 left, clear to land, wind 010 at 15.
Clear to land, runway 7 left, 36 Mike.
Skyline 80 Mike, you were requesting a right downwind, correct?
Affirmative, right downwind 80 Mike.
Okay, roger. Wind 36015.
Wind check.
Wind 360 at 14.
Latest information, Foxtrot. Oxnard, latest information, Foxtrot 1751 Zulu weather. Wind 270 at 10, visibility 10, sky.
S37 Golf, traffic, 12 o'clock, a mile. Mahalo 821, contact Center Harbor approach 124.15. Have a good flight.
I'm sorry, was that from Mahalo 821?
Mahalo 821, affirmative, contact Center Harbor approach 124.15.
124.15 from Mahalo 821, thanks, good day.
Cessna 02 Echo, contact Center Harbor Tower 119.7, good day.
At 6,600, correcting to 6,500.
November 80 Echo Papa, contact local approach on 128.75.
128.75.
Affirmative, November 0 Echo Papa, break November 422 Sierra November, McGill approach, McGill altimeter 3001.
Altimeter 3001, Sierra 422 Sierra November.
November 717 Tango, contact Oxnard Tower 134.95, good day.
Contact Oxnard Tower, 77 Tango, good day.
November 8 Foxtrot Charlie, squawk 4744. November 80 Mike, you're 6 miles from Oxnard, Class Delta Airspace, radio service terminated, squawk VFR, contact Camry Tower, correction, Oxnard Tower 134.95.
134.95, squawk VFR 1080 Mike, thank you.
5. Check 9877 Tango Oxnard Tower, number 2, runway 25, cleared to land.
Clear to land, number 2, runway 25, Sky 77 Tango.
Oxnard Tower, Skyline 1080 Mike, 10 miles to the west, 1,500 feet, inbound for landing with Gulf.
Check 1080 Mike, Oxnard Tower, right traffic, runway 25.
Right traffic 25, 1080 Mike. ಇದು Ventura.
And Tower 9877 Tango, we don't have the other landing traffic in sight.
You'll see me to get a little closer. They're on the south downwind. Speed just a little bit.
Was that for 6 Bravo Foxtrot or the other aircraft?
Foxtrot, I might not have cleared. You're cleared touch and go number 2.
Thank you, 6 Bravo Foxtrot.
Tricky 16497, frequency change, take care.
Okay, 197, thank you, I'll see you later.
Skyline 1080 Mike, number 2, following the Cessna on a mile final. Runway 25, cleared to land.
Clear to land, number 225 right, looking for the traffic on final, 1080 Mike.
Cessna 77 Tango, contact ground 121.9.
On the ground, 77 Tango.
Traffic on final in sight, 1080 Mike.
Thank you. Cessna 1080 Mike, contact ground 121.9 as you exit.
121.9, 1080 Mike.
Cessna 736 Bravo Foxtrot, runway 25, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go. 6 Bravo Foxtrot would like to make a right-hand